Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Liezl, your Pinay at home, and I'm so happy you're here today. So before I jump into decorating for Christmas, I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. It is late in the afternoon and the weather is just so gloomy, so I need a little pick-me-up before I get started. And you guys, I'm really excited for today's video and I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because that really helps my channel grow. So now that my coffee is all done, let's get this started. Alright you guys, so I'm starting with this little corner right here beside my entertainment center. And last year I didn't put my Christmas tree here, so I feel like this is the heart of my home because it is the first thing that people see when they step inside. So I will be setting up my Christmas tree here, and I want to set the tone for the whole season, which is warm, cozy, and a little bit magical. So this year, I'm using a completely different Christmas tree which was gifted to me by my mamita, and I'm super excited about it. The moment I saw it, I fell in love right away because of its natural, slightly sparse look, the kind of style that really let each branch breathe and stand out. It has such a beautiful, minimalist feel, almost like something you'd find in a little cabin tucked away in the woods. And one of my favorite details is the base. It looks just like a real tree trunk, which adds so much warmth and character. And because the branches aren't too dense, you can really appreciate the shape and texture and the natural flow of the tree. So later on, my girls are going to decorate it, and I'm really looking forward to that part where they put their own little touches. Now we're moving on to the entertainment center. So for this part, I'll let the visuals do most of the talking so you can simply relax and enjoy the decorating process. I'm adding a few carefully chosen pieces to bring a gentle touch of festivity, nothing overwhelming, just simple, warm details that make the space feel inviting and cheerful. I love how this space turned out. It looked exactly the way I pictured it. Now I'm adding a small tree on this side and my little one will help decorate it later. And at the end of this video, she'll hang ornaments herself, adding her own special touch. It's always the sweetest part of the season. And to finish off the side, I'm placing this little deer under the tree. They look so delicate and lifelike, like they're just quietly, chilling under this beautiful tree. And then I'm adding this basket filled with ornaments. The way it shines out of the woven basket feels magical, and together I think they create that cozy, festive corner that feels warm, inviting, and full of holiday charm. Now we're moving on to the coffee table, and for this space, I really want to keep everything simple and uncluttered. So lately, I've been loving the idea of using ornaments as centerpieces. There's just something about the way they catch the light that adds a perfect touch of sparkle. So I'm pairing them with some organic elements like these pine cones to bring in a little warmth and texture. And the mix of glass and natural materials feels so balanced and calming, almost like a little moment of winter magic right in the center of the room. And just like that, the whole area feels cozy, festive, and perfectly tied together with the rest of the decor. Decorating this small round end table was a little tricky at first. It's such an awkward shape, and I wanted everything to feel balanced. So I had the idea to use this wreath as a little nest to hold all the pieces together. I think it keeps everything in place while adding a touch of festive charm. And I love that when I put all the pieces together, it just feels like a tiny holiday vignette, cozy, magical, and just right for this corner of the room. Next, I'm bringing in this vintage style Christmas scroll. I think this is such a charming little touch. It's perfect for adding warmth and personality to this wall. It's time to cozy up the couches. So my daughter is helping me add some throw blankets and pillows in a variety of textures and colors, my go-to shades for Christmas. So layering these soft touches makes the space feel warm and inviting, which is perfect for all the time we'll be spending together this holiday season. Alright, you guys, these are all the ornaments my daughters will be hanging on the tree today. And honestly, I'm gonna have them take over completely. I'm not fixing or adjusting anything, I'm just letting them have fun and decorate the whole tree all on their own. There's just something so special about watching them carefully choose each ornament, deciding where it should go, giggling, and changing their minds, and just getting so proud of the tiniest little details. So I'm stepping back, soaking it all in, and letting them create their own little masterpiece. And you guys, I'm actually so proud of how it turned out. Just look at the finished result. And because my little one can only reach the bottom of the big tree, I let her decorate the smaller tree too, and she absolutely loved it. Next, we're moving on to the dining table. I cleared away all the fall decor, and now it's time to bring in some Christmas vibes. So for this space, I really want everything to feel inviting, warm, and simple. The kind of setup that makes you want to sit down, talk, laugh, and stay a while. And all these pieces not only look beautiful, but they're great conversation starters too. especially since I know my family and friends will be gathering around here a lot this season. And last but not the least, I'm decorating this large mirror. So I'm keeping it simple, but I want it to feel warm and festive. So I'm draping some fresh greenery on top and on the side of it. And I love that this greenery comes with pine cones and gives that natural rustic touch. And also I'm bringing in some lights in it. So even though it's a small addition, it instantly brings a cozy holiday glow to this corner, and it ties in beautifully with the rest of my decor. And that's a wrap on today's Christmas decorating. Thank you so much for joining me. I love sharing these cozy holiday vibes with you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that button so we can keep the festive fun going. Wishing you all a blessed holiday season. See you next time. Bye.